Let's break down metal machining. It's the art of shaping raw metal into something useful, anything from a tiny gear to a massive engine part. We cut away what we don't need using specialized tools. The goal? Precision and purpose. Machinists are more than button pushers. They're problem solvers and makers. We read blueprints, plan the process, select tools, and set up machines with care. Every cut and measurement matters. Accuracy is everything, sometimes down to fractions thinner than a human hair. If a part is off, it might not fit or could even be dangerous. That's why machinists are obsessed with getting it right. Every detail counts. We start with a lump of metal and transform it into a vital component. From cars to planes, medical devices to everyday tools, machinists make it all possible. It's a journey from raw material to essential part. And that transformation? It's what makes this work so satisfying. The process is a blend of planning, skill, and precision. It's about turning ideas into reality, one cut at a time. Machining is where creativity meets engineering. It's the backbone of modern manufacturing. Every product you use likely started in a machinist's hands. That's the magic of metal machining. It's challenging, rewarding, and always evolving. And that's why we love it. Before the big machines, it all starts with hand tools. Files, hacksaws, scribers, punches, and hammers. These tools teach you control and patience. Say you want a small, flat metal piece. Mark it, clamp it, saw it, then file the edges smooth. You check your work with a square and measure with calipers. It's slow, but you learn how metal behaves. This is where you build real skill. Hand-eye coordination, patience, and a feel for the material. Every movement shapes the outcome. These basics are the foundation for everything that follows. Even with advanced machines, this knowledge is crucial. It's about understanding the direct connection between your hands and the metal. Mastering hand tools is where true craftsmanship begins. You learn to respect the process. You develop an eye for detail. These skills never leave you. They're the bedrock of machining. Every great machinist started here. It's where you learn to make metal do what you want, and it's the first step to mastering the craft. That's the real start of your journey. Hand tools are great, but sometimes you need more power. Enter power tools. Drills, grinders, and bench machines like the drill press. These tools speed things up and let you tackle tougher jobs. A drill press gives you straight, repeatable holes. A pedestal grinder shapes and sharpens metal fast. With power comes responsibility. Safety is critical. Always wear safety glasses, avoid loose clothing, and stay alert. The process shifts. You guide the tool, but the machine does the heavy lifting. You still mark and measure carefully. Now you're learning machine operation, clamping, speed selection, and listening to the machine. It's about blending your skill with the machine's muscle. You build on your hand tool experience. Each tool adds a new layer to your abilities. Respect the power, and you'll get great results. These machines are your partners in precision. They help you work faster and smarter. But your judgment and skills still make the difference. Mastering these basics prepares you for bigger challenges. It's the next step in your machining journey. And it's where you start to feel like a real machinist. Now we're in the heart of the shop: manual lathes and mills. Let's focus on the lathe. It spins your metal and you shape it with a cutting tool. Setup is half the job. Secure the workpiece, choose the right tool set, angles, and speeds. Safety first, a loose part can be dangerous. Once set, you bring the tool to the spinning metal and start making chips. Take small cuts, measure, adjust, and sneak up on your final size. Precision is everything. You're constantly observing, listening, and feeling the machine. Use cutting fluid to keep things cool and smooth. The process is hands-on. You're the brain, the machine is the muscle. Every adjustment matters. You learn how the machine responds to your touch. It's about control and finesse. Making a simple part requires focus and patience. Each step builds your confidence. You see the transformation from raw bar to finished part. It's satisfying to watch the swarf peel away. Manual machining teaches you the fundamentals of precision. It's where you truly become a maker, and it's the gateway to more advanced work. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time for more complex parts. Features like angles, slots, and precise holes. These require extra planning and sometimes special attachments. You might set the lathe's compound slide for tapers or use a rotary table for circular patterns. Each new feature adds complexity and challenge. Careful blueprint reading and operation sequencing are key. Multiple setups may be needed, each introducing new risks for error. You become a strategist, visualizing the finished part and planning every step. Advanced measuring tools help you check your work. Geometry and trigonometry skills come into play. Seeing a complex part come together is incredibly rewarding. This is where your skills really start to shine. Now you're in the big leagues. Professional level machining with ultra-tight tolerances. Think aerospace, medical, or high-performance engine parts. These parts have complex shapes, thin walls, and tough materials. Planning is intense. CAM software, careful inspection, and precise setups are essential. CNC machines take center stage, executing complex movements with computer control. But machinists are still vital for setup, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Advanced blueprint reading and GD and T are must-haves. Programming skills and deep material knowledge are crucial. Every step is critical. Tool wear, surface finish, and accuracy are constantly checked. High-precision inspection tools like CMMs verify the results. It's a blend of experience and technology. The work is demanding, but the results are engineering masterpieces. Machinists at this level are both artists and engineers. It's the pinnacle of the craft, and it's what makes modern innovation possible. From hand tools to high-precision CNC, machining is a journey of constant learning. Each skill builds on the last: control, power, precision, and complexity. Practice is the key. There are no shortcuts. Mistakes are part of the process. They teach you to problem solve and improve. Every challenge makes you better. The satisfaction of turning raw metal into something precise is unmatched. It's the joy of making and the pride of mastery. The journey never ends. There's always a new material, technique, or machine to learn. The best machinists are lifelong learners, always refining their craft. Be patient and persistent. Embrace every opportunity to grow. Stay curious and open to new challenges. The more you learn, the more rewarding the work becomes. Machining is both art and science. It's about shaping the world with your hands and mind. Every part you make is a testament to your skill. The path is demanding, but the rewards are real. If you're starting out, enjoy the process. Keep learning, keep making. That's the true magic of machining.